Python beginner project, the File Organizer, a simple but powerful script that helps you clean up messy folders filled with documents, images, downloads, and more. In just a few lines of code, you'll learn how to automatically sort files into organized folders, saving time and keeping your workspace clean. We begin by importing two essential modules, OS and shutil, which allow Python to interact with your computer's file system and move files between folders. Then we define a function called organize_files folder, where Python loops through every file in the directory you choose, checks each file's extension, and creates a matching folder if one doesn't already exist. Using os.path, splytext file 1, the script identifies the file type, and with os.makers, it creates the appropriate folder automatically. Finally, shutil places the file into its new home, instantly turning a cluttered directory into a neatly organized structure. You can run this script in any folder, and it will sort your PDFs, images, music, videos, and more with no manual effort. Imagine running this every week or adding it to your startup routine so your desktop stays clean, your downloads stay sorted, and you never waste time searching for misplaced files again. This project is a perfect introduction to automation and shows how Python can handle repetitive tasks for you, opening the door to more advanced ideas like photo sorters, backup scripts, or even AI-powered file management tools. So go ahead, copy the code, run it, and watch your folders organize themselves. Python makes it easy to organize, automate, and save time. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new Python tutorial.